Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the domestic electrical circuit. Till now we have discussed how a current carrying conductor produces a magnetic field, and then we have seen how a magnetic field can produce a current. Now whatever the current which has been produced, it has to be sent to a distribution centers and to the house, and in from house each room and each device should has to get this current. So how this is going to happen, now today we are going to discuss about all these things in the topic domestic electrical circuit. The electric connection for supply of electric power from the city substation to the distribution box of a house, and a house wiring will be used. So now um, three core cable wiring of a household circuits will be there, as you can see in the picture on the screen. The main supply of the electric power is done to our homes using the three core cables. The three core cables, as you can see in the figure on the screen, it is first one, the neutral wire completes the circuit. It is kept at zero voltage by the electricity companies. So the function of a neutral wire is that it is at zero voltage and it is used for only the backflow or to complete the path, and neutral wire will be always at negative terminal. And then you can see here the live wire which will be carrying the high voltage, which will be in red in color. Neutral wire will be either blue or black in color. Then we have the third wire, that is called as the earth wire. The earth wire is a safety wire that is needed to the earth appliances with a metal case. This makes it safer to touch the appliances if it develops a fault. And the positive live wire will be a positive wire, and it is going to have a voltage of 220 volt will be there. And if we touch this live wire accidentally, we may get shock. The neutral wire, it will be black or blue in color, which is called as negative. Neutral wire provides a return path for the current and kept at zero potential by connecting it to the earth at the power station itself. Thus the potential difference, that is voltage, between the live wire and the neutral wire is 220 volt. There is no harm in touching the neutral wire. Now there will be, these are the three cable wires which you can see it in the plastic case, which we will be having. A red color wire is called as a live wire, blue color wire is called as a neutral, and green color wire is called as earth wire. This is the domestic circuit, electrical circuit, which will be there in our homes. It is, as discussed earlier, electrical energy is the most useful form of energy because it is easy to convert electrical energy into other forms of energy by using electrical appliances. It can be transmitted by wires over large distance with easy and at low cost. So here you can see a pole is there. From a pole, two wires are coming. One is a live wire and neutral wire. After these two wires, there we will be having a distribution box. Then we have a meter. From the meter, there we will be having a fuse, as you can see here. After this will be the main fuse, and after the main fuse we will be having a distribution board. Distribution board will be having as many as the, in a house we will be having rooms, those many fuses we have to attached. As you can see, there are three fuses are there, so we have three rooms here. So for each wire we will be having a live wire, a dotted one which is a neutral wire, and a earth wire. This is how the connections will be done in the distribution box. The wire from the main switch enters the distribution box. In the distribution box, the main line is divided into two main circuit. One will be having a 5 ampere fuse, and second one will be having a 15 ampere fuse. 5 ampere fuse is used for running appliances of low rating such as bulb, tube light, fans, radios, TV, etc. The domestic power, which is having a 15 ampere fuse, is used for running appliances of higher rating such as electric iron, geyser, refrigerator, etc. The circuit flowing the electricity flowing out of the main switch can be distributed in a house by a house system of wiring commonly called as tree system of household wiring. So this is a tree system of household wiring which can be used. Having a tree system has have disadvantages as well as disadvantages. This is important, you have to note it down, the advantages of a system, tree system, and disadvantages. The advantages are when distribution circuits are in parallel, then each circuit operates separately. So if one of the distribution circuit gets overloaded, only the fuse in that circuit will blow off. Other distribution lines will remain unaffected. Next is when two or more appliances are used at the same time, each appliances will be draw the current as needed. Then each circuit will have the same potential difference, that is equal to the potential difference in the supply line. As a result, each electrical appliances will work under a constant voltage. Disadvantages are it requires plugs and sockets more of different current values for different appliances. Different branch lines are taken from the distribution board to different parts of the house, hence wiring long lengths of wire. As a result, cost of wiring is expensive. When the fuse of one distribution circuit melts, it disconnects all the appliances in the distribution box. And the last one is if a new appliance is to be installed, then it is necessary to connect through a new wiring up to the distribution box. This could be quite expensive and inconvenience for us. So this is all about the advantages and disadvantages of a tree system of distribution of power station. This is a 3-pin socket where we will be having a fuse. How the fuse will be working it? A fuse is a safety device containing a thin wire that melts in the current is too high, breaking the circuit and protecting the cable from overheating and catching fire. Fuse act as an early warning system, preventing the appliances from being damaged from by surge in electricity and warning owner of a fault. So this is how in a switchboard we can have green color is earthing wire, red color is a wire which will be a live wire, and a blue color wire will be a neutral wire. This is about the earthing of an electrical appliances. Sometimes if we touch any part of a defective electrical appliances, we may get an electric shock. Connecting the metallic body by an electrical appliances to the earth by conducting wire to prevent electric shock is called as earthing. In a house, the local earthing is made near the electric meter. Earthing is done by connecting a metal plate to a thick copper wire surrounded by a hollow insulating pipe. The metal plate is buried deep into the earth where it is surrounded by a mixture of charcoal and salt for making good earth connection. Through the insulating pipe, water is supplied to the earth periodically since water forms a conducting medium between the plate and the ground. So this is a miniature circuit breaker. Instead of having a fuse, we will be having a fuse box. All the homes have a fuse box. There is a safety device between the socket in the home and the main supply from the street. Newer fuse box containing residual current circuit breaker, that is RCCBs, which detect the difference in the current between the live wire and the neutral wire. They use an electromagnet to break the circuit if the current difference becomes too large. Then we will be having a domestic control system. All the circuits are switched in the live wire. As you can see, fuse and a switch will be placed always between the live wire. Neutral wire doesn't have any fuse and switch. All the live wires have a fuse designed to fail and break the circuit if too much current flows. Modern system used electromagnet circuit breakers in place of fuses, which we have discussed earlier. Now we know that we will be having a 3-pin socket pins are there, and in this 3-pin socket pins we will be having 3 pins will be there, and one pin will be a red color one which will be attached to a live wire, then to blue color which is a neutral, and third will be the earthing. And this third pin will be a little bit longer than the other two short. It is because if any, by default some current is been there in the metallic uh, appliances, at the time the moment you put on the switch, at the time the current will be, excess current will be sent to the ground. So for that reason, in a 3-pin socket pin we will be having the third pin will be longer. Earthing also save the appliances from being damaged in case of short circuit or overloading. The earth can be regarded as a electric sink since excess current flows through the earthing to the earth. How this electricity will be distributed to our house? We will be having overhead power lines will be there. As you can see in the picture, this is the overhead power lines are there from the power station. This is how the electricity will be coming to our houses. Potentially insufficient, as electricity travels through a conductor, generate heats. Usable energy is lost to the environment, but heat generate is proportional to the current, which leads to our solutions. AC power line is a simple principle. We will be having live wire will be having a 220 volt, and neutral wire will be at 0 volts, because the 220 neutral wire will be functioning as only for a written path we will be using it. And in the previous when we have studied about the AC and DC, we have seen that graph for the AC is a sinusoidal graph. There we have seen in 1 second it is going to form 50 times per second. It is going to be make the cycle complete. So the frequency of the supply is 50 hertz for us. This is different types of fuse breakers. This is a capsule fuse breakers which we will be having, and these are the fuse boards which we will be using it. Then we have, this is a circuit breaker, MCBs, electromagnetic switch, which pops open when the current becomes too large. It will be there, or somewhere will be having button will be getting tripped down. So a CB is used for each ring main, and each isolated power units will be there, or a double switch isolated both live and neutral supply. Then we have earthing. Earthing will be fundamental safety measure. Earthing is there for us. Any conducting external part of an appliances must be connected to the earth wire, that is a metal case of a CD player. The earth wire is connected to the copper conductor buried in the ground. So this is how we can able to provide, we can have the earthing to prevent the electrical shock for us. Then we will be having, there are two things. One, we will be having short circuiting and overloading. These things you can able to note down in your notebooks. Short circuiting occurs when the live wire and the neutral wire comes into direct contact or touch each other. In this situation, the resistance of the circuit becomes very small, and a very large current flows through the circuit, which produces a large amount of heat. The heat raises the temperature of the circuit and sparking at a point of short circuiting. This happens when the insulation of a wire is damaged or there is a fault in the appliance. Overloading means flow of current in the circuit beyond a specified limit. Overloading occurs due to an accidental rise in the supply voltage. Sometimes overloading is caused by connecting too many appliances to high power rating to a single socket. So this is all about how we can able to avoid the earthing. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, have happy learning. Thank you.